Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the most important topic for financial freedom: passive income. In 2025, with costs rising everywhere, earning money while you sleep isn't just nice, it's essential. Forget the hype. Real passive income takes effort or capital to set up, but once it's running, it can change your life. I'll break down my top 5 global passive income ideas for 2025, from classic investments to new tech-driven opportunities. We'll cover dividend stocks, REITs, online businesses, crypto staking and more, so you can find the right fit for your financial journey. Let's jump into the first one. First up, dividend stocks, a timeless wealth-building strategy. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of a company. Profitable companies often pay out part of their earnings to shareholders as dividends. Think of it as getting paid just for holding shares in giants like Coca-Cola Stockton. Bitsko Konskola Derkos Brokokos or the Johnson. And Danseberdos. Chonen. After your initial research and investment, the income is truly passive. Dividends show up in your account automatically. But don't just chase the highest yields. Extremely high dividends can signal trouble or unsustainable payouts. Instead, look for stable blue-chip companies with a long track record of paying and increasing dividends. These are called dividend aristocrats or dividend kings. With these, you benefit from both regular cash flow and potential stock price appreciation. The real magic? Compounding. Set up a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, so your dividends automatically buy more shares, growing your income over time. Even small dividends can snowball into significant wealth over decades. To get started, open a brokerage account. There are plenty of low-fee options. Research companies in stable sectors like consumer staples, healthcare, or utilities. Check their payout ratios and history of dividend increases. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Build a portfolio of 15-20 solid dividend payers, or use a dividend-focused ETF like SCHD or VIG for instant diversification. This approach lets you build a steady, growing income stream with minimal ongoing effort. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Over time, dividend investing can be a cornerstone of your passive income strategy. It's not flashy, but it works. Start small, reinvest, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. With discipline, you'll see your passive income grow year after year. This is how real wealth is built. Slowly, steadily, and automatically. Don't overlook the power of owning great companies and getting paid to do it. It's a strategy that stood the test of time. Ready for the next level? Let's talk real estate, without the headaches. Passive income is all about making your money work for you. Dividend stocks are a proven way to start. Now, let's move on to real estate. Next up, REITs, real estate investment trusts. They let you earn real estate income without being a landlord. A REIT is a company that owns or finances income-producing properties. Apartments, offices, warehouses, malls, even data centers. Buy a REIT share, and you own a slice of all those properties. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, making them a powerful passive income tool. You get exposure to real estate with just a few dollars, and you can buy or sell REIT shares instantly. No waiting months to sell a property. There are many types: residential, industrial, retail, and even specialized REIE for things like cell towers. This variety lets you invest in trends you believe in, like e-commerce growth or housing demand. REITs offer instant diversification. If one tenant leaves, your income barely budges. You benefit from professional management and access to deals individual investors can't touch. To pick a good REIT, look at funds from operations, FFO, occupancy rates, property quality, and debt levels. Want it even easier? REIT ETFs, like VNQ or SCHH, give you broad exposure to the entire real estate market. REITs combine high yields, liquidity, and diversification, without the headaches of property management. They're a must-have for anyone serious about passive income, real estate income. No toilets to fix. Add REITs to your portfolio for steady, reliable cash flow. It's real estate investing made simple. Now let's explore how you can build digital income streams. The next idea is all about leveraging the internet for passive profits. Ready to go digital? Let's dive in. REITs are a proven way to earn from real estate passively. Don't miss out on this asset class. Let's move to online business. Here's how you can earn while you sleep. Third on the list, online business models that generate passive income. Start with digital products, create an ebook, course, or template once, and sell it endlessly with no inventory or shipping. Set up your sales page and payment system, and your product can sell 24/7, even while you sleep. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commissions when someone buys through your link. Start a blog or YouTube channel, review products, and include affiliate links. Content you create today can earn for years. Dropshipping is another option. Set up an online store, but let suppliers handle inventory and shipping. You focus on marketing and customer experience. Or, build a niche website and monetize with ads. Pick a topic, create helpful content, and get paid as your site attracts visitors. The common thread? Leverage. You build an asset once and it keeps working for you. Digital products and content scale. Sell to 100 or 100,000 people with no extra effort. It's not instant or easy. Upfront work and learning are required, but the payoff can be life-changing. Focus on quality, automation, and finding your niche. The internet is crowded, but there's always room for valuable content. Build once, earn for years. Online business is the ultimate way to disconnect your time from your income. If you're willing to put in the work up front, the rewards can be huge. Digital income is scalable, global, and flexible. Ready to try something cutting edge? Let's talk crypto staking. Online business can be your ticket to financial freedom. Don't underestimate the power of digital leverage. Let's move to the next big thing, earning with crypto. Here's how to make your digital assets work for you. Fourth idea, crypto staking, putting your digital assets to work for passive income. Many cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana use proof of stake. By staking your coins, you help secure the network and earn rewards. It's like earning interest, but often with much higher yields than traditional banks. Once you stake your crypto, either through an exchange or a staking pool, rewards are paid out automatically. No trading, no management, just watch your balance grow. Most people use exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken for easy staking, or liquid staking protocols like Lido for Ethereum. Liquid staking lets you earn rewards while keeping your assets flexible. But be aware, crypto is volatile. If the price drops, your rewards might not cover your losses. There's also slashing risk. If your validator misbehaves, you could lose some of your staked coins. And smart contract bugs can lead to losses, especially in DeFi. Only stake what you can afford to lose and always use reputable platforms. For those bullish on crypto's future, staking is a way to grow your holdings passively. Don't let your coins sit idle, put them to work. Crypto staking is a native digital passive income stream. As the technology matures, it's becoming more accessible and important. Understand the risks, start small, and learn as you go. Crypto staking can boost your passive income, but only if you're comfortable with the volatility. Ready for something safer. Let's talk about high-yield savings and P2P lending. Crypto staking is exciting, but not for everyone. Let's finish with some lower-risk options. Here's how to earn passively with cash. Last up, high-yield savings accounts, HISAs, and peer-to-peer P2P lending, lower risk but still valuable. HISAs pay much higher interest than regular savings accounts, sometimes 10-50 times more. They're perfect for emergency funds or short-term savings, offering safety, liquidity, and a return that keeps up with inflation. Online banks offer the best rates, and your money is usually insured up to $250,000. It's not going to make you rich, but it's the foundation of a solid financial plan. For higher returns, try P2P lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club. You act as the bank, earning interest that can be much higher than savings accounts. Diversify your loans. Spread small amounts across many borrowers to reduce risk. The main risk is default. If a borrower can't pay, you could lose money. P2P lending isn't as liquid as a savings account, so only invest money you can lock up for a few years. Use HISAs for safety and liquidity, and P2P lending for higher but riskier returns. Both are great tools for a balanced passive income portfolio. Mix these with the other strategies for a robust, multi-layered income machine. Passive income isn't just about big risks, it's about smart diversification. Start with safety, then add higher yield options as you grow. HISAs and P2P lending are simple, accessible, and effective. Don't overlook these foundational tools. Now, let's wrap up with your next steps. Building passive income is about balance and consistency. Here's how to get started. That's it, my top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the reward is freedom over your time and money. Don't jump in blindly. Do your research, learn the risks, and choose what fits your goals. The best investment is in your own knowledge. What's your favorite passive income idea? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth-building tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom. Until next time.